My beautiful people, welcome back to my channel, Everyday Law with Barrister Kiki. My name remains Barrister Kiki and Watimi Pre Enu. Today we'll be answering some few questions that arose as a result of the last discussion we had on cohabitation and legal marriage. The first question was, what if this couple have cohabited for a long time? Won't there be presumption of marriage? The answer is yes. There will be presumption of marriage. In law, if the persons have cohabited for a very long time, they have cohabited for 10 years, 20 years, 30 years, and thereabouts, there is presumption of marriage. But I still state that presumption of marriage is not legal marriage. Legal marriage is different entirely. What is obtainable to a couple or a person that conducted a legal marriage is different from someone that is presumed to be married. So they are both different, and their rights are also very different. Another question that arose was the legitimacy of the children born by these cohabiting couples. I also state that I am not talking about the legitimacy of children. I am only enumerating the legitimacy of the marriage, not the children. The children are not illegitimate. In fact, in Nigerian law, there is no longer illegitimate child as of today. So that one is settled. The third question is if customary law marriage is enough. That is, for those persons that conducted only customary law marriage, is it enough, or should they go for statutory marriage along with customary law marriage? Now we have customary law marriage, we have statutory marriage, and we have Islamic marriage. The three of them are autonomous on their own. Statutory marriage is based on the English law marriage, and it is governed by the ordinance, the acts, and the statutes. While the customary law marriage is our customs and tradition, is governed by our customs and tradition. They are both different, and they are different in the sense that traditional marriage is polygamous in nature, while statutory marriage is monogamous in nature. The law is that if you are conducting statutory marriage, the couples must be single. For anyone that is already married conducting a statutory marriage is criminal in nature, and the law frowns at it. It's criminal in nature. But in customary law marriage, if your custom permits you to marry more than one wife, you can go ahead, and the customary law will support you. So there are two different marriage. Now that brings us to another question which we are going to discuss in our next episode is, some person says, but I did customary law marriage and I did statutory marriage, which is the court registry. So in this case, which one is applicable? So before we go into that detail, in our next episode, we are going to discuss some valid features of statutory marriage and customary law marriage. Then we'll now discuss about you conducting both marriages. What is it called? It's called a double deck marriage. So until then, thank you.